Well, there is no doubt about it. Nick Kyrgios has won over a few tennis fans in the last few weeks. Great job, Nick Kyrgios. He's been out and about rallying the funds, and he really got the ball rolling, didn't he?
He certainly did. Look, making that announcement that $200 from his own pocket was going to the cause, and in the end it finished with 69 aces from Nick himself at the ATP Cup. So brilliant stuff from Nick, and he's about to be out here on court against Roger Federer. Beck, this is going to be a sensational match. One singles match could be a tiebreaker at the end of this set, if required, between these two. And Dylan, you're out there, and it's a warm-up between these two players with a bit of a difference tonight.
Yeah, it is. Thanks so much, James. We're out on the court, and to get warmed up, we're going to raise a little bit of extra money. So we've got some targets set up at the end of the court, and what's going to happen is Nick Kyrgios is going to start by acting as coach, and he's going to feed the ball to Roger Federer, and Roger's going to hit as many targets as he can. He gets $100 each target, and then $1,000 in the bonus round, all going towards helping Australians affected by the bushfires. And if you haven't already donated, please do, because it's going towards such a great cause. We're taking a couple of photos with the fireys, but first, before we get to that, I'm going to talk to Nick Kyrgios. Nick, mate, you ever coached or fed a ball in before?
What was that?
You ever coached or fed a ball in before?
Yeah, I've fed a couple of balls, not to Roger, but I'm going to make him tough, because I want to beat him for once. So.
Mate, can I say, as a friend of yours, mate, I'm really proud of you. This was your idea to come up with this. What does it feel like? What does it feel like to be out here tonight and to see, some of the CFA firefighters here tonight enjoying it?
Yeah, it's an emotional one for sure. When I was playing ATP Cup, this is all I was thinking about. I just wanted to get this to this stage with all these, brilliant players, Steph, Novak, all these guys showing their support. To see all the firefighters and all these guys out here, it's emotional, it's tough. So I just want to have a lot of fun tonight, and hopefully we can overcome all this.
Good on you, Nick Kyrgios. Please, everyone, a big thank you to all the players that played in the doubles. We've got Roger Federer on court. Roger, $100 per target, $1,000 in the bonus round. Quick, keep feeding them, Nick. As many as you can. That's it. That's some horrible feeds, Nick. Go, Roger! Yeah! It's come out cold. There you go, Roger. Here we go. Nice. Here we go, now we're cooking. Nice, Roger. All right, now you've got your 30-second bonus round. Each one of these targets are worth $1,000. You've got 30 more seconds, Roger. You stay here. You got 30 more seconds, bonus round. You get $1,000 a target.
Good forward.
Great job, Roger.
Yep. Yep. Ooh. Good footwork.
Last one. Yeah! Came good on the bonus round. All right, now you swap. Now, Roger, you're feeding to Nick. Nick's got a minute, $100 in the first minute, $1,000 in the bonus round.
All right.
Get it, Kiggs.
Ready? I'm ready. Here we go. Oh.
Yeah, nice. Nice. Nice.
We got the rhythm now. Here we go. We got the rhythm. We can do this all night.
Here we go.
Oh.
Try not to hit Roger.
Come on, Nick. That's it.
10 seconds, Nick. All right, last one. Yeah! All right, Nick. 30 more seconds. 1,000 bucks. 1,000 bucks a target. You ready?
Well,
Let's get it.
10 seconds.
He's looking a bit puffed. I like it.
You want to go backhand? Forehand's good?
Definitely forehand.
I like the forehand. All right, here we go.
All right, time starts now. Yep. Yep.
Come on, Nick.
Get it, Nick. Five, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Yeah!
That's not bad. Good job. Although your feet are better.
Gentlemen, well done. That was the most profitable warm-up you've ever done because you just raised $35,000 for the Bushfire Relief